Hello, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson, I want to teach you how to play the song King of Hearts by Brandon Lake. As always, I'm going to play all the way through the song for you first, and then at the end, I'll break it down and explain it in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song. I saw the nails, I heard the hammer, King of the Jews, carved into a wooden banner, made you a crown, bloodied your temple. You could have come down, but in silence we both tremble. You gave your life, I gave you nothing. You poured me grace, I poured you poison, but still you drank my cup of shame. With all that I've done, could I be forgiven? Is there still a way to enter your kingdom? I'm just a thief beside the King, King of Hearts. I look to my side, I only had seconds. Please remember we met when you're seated high in heaven. You spoke in a whisper, looking deep in my eyes. Said, son, this time tomorrow we will be in paradise. You gave your life, I gave you nothing. right, before I break the song down, if you would like to check out the chord chart for this song, you can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page. So for this song, I am playing in the key of G. So I'm using the G chord family. I've got the G chord as well as the E minor 7. We have a D over F sharp as well as a C add 9. These chords are chord variations. So instead of a C add 9, if you want, you could use just a regular C major. D over F sharp can be replaced with a D major. But I use these variations because they fit really nicely all together inside the family of G. And they also make transitionings a lot easier because they have a very similar shape to each other. You do want to remember for the C chord, you're not going to be strumming that low E string. So you want to avoid that low E string when you're strumming that C add 9. For the strum pattern, we're going to be using the sway pattern, which is a 3-beat strum pattern. So if I just mute my strings, what we want to do for that is we're going to strum really hard on beat 1 and then softer for the rest. That's the dynamics of this pattern. So hard on 1, softer on the rest. We want to do down strums on all the beats. So 1, 2, and 3, we've got down strums. And then we're going to include up strums after beat 2 and 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and 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 1. And that's the pattern. So make sure you get that pattern set to memory so you don't have to think about it while you're trying to play this song. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a pretty straightforward song. Nothing too complicated is happening. If you do have any questions for it, feel free to post your questions in the comment section of this post on my Patreon page. Again, that's right up there. I do answer all my patrons' questions, and I look forward to seeing you in the next song tutorial. Take care.